some general tips for rebuilding the blast wheel and general maintenance on the machine. When you change out blast wheel components, the blades, when you change blades, you cannot interchange new blades with old blades. When you change out a set of blades, all 8 replace all 8 that are removed. When you change out blades, it's a good recommendation, a good consideration to replace the control cage. The control cage in this machine and in most are set at a 49-degree pattern. As the machine runs and hours are accumulated on the machine, that 49 degrees will grow, your blast pattern will grow, and you're not as efficient on the part as you would be with a new control cage. When inspecting and considering changing out the liners, consider that the top curve liner is symmetrical. It can be inverted top to bottom. Your wear is going to be on one side of the liner. You can reverse that and start anew with the other side of the liner. Same holds true on the straight side liners. Straight side liners are interchangeable. You can change top for bottom or for top. On the feed spout that comes into the wheel through the valve up top, the valve is set in a position to maintain full load amps on the blast wheel. The blast wheel, in this case, our 15 horsepower blast wheel is capable of 13 amps. We try to maintain 13 amps to get the maximum efficiency out of that. When you see your amps on your gauges drop below full load amps, in this case 13 amps, you know that your shot level is low. You need to add shot to the machine to bring the amp loads back up to full load amps of the blast wheel. Thank you. Changing out of the Viking blast wheel blades and consumables. 9/16, 3/4, 5/8 Allen wrench, hammer, and pry bar. The tools that are needed. First, we'll remove the feed spout, adapt the blade. Remove the outer cover. Loosen the hold-down bolts for the top of the liner. Pry out the top of the liner. Inspect the top curve liner for abnormal wear. Rotate or replace as necessary. Remove the impeller and impeller bolt with 5/8" Allen. Tap on centering plate, move to draw out the centering plate. remove blades by gently tapping on the tail end of the blade on the center of the wheel. Every blade has a foot that slides into a dovetail slot of the flywheel. Make sure that the slot in the flywheel is clean. You remove 8 blades, replace 8 blades with fresh blades. All blades belong in the same set. You never interchange blade sets. Once the 8 blades are installed, you'll return the centering plate, which holds the blades in position, with the matching slots of the centering plate with the matching pins on the flywheel. You're going to want to inspect and clean as necessary the internal hole that is the hole that's drilled and tapped into the motor shaft. Inspect the bolt, make sure that the bolt is free and clear in the shop. The 2 teeth that are on the back side of the impeller match the receiving slot in the centering plate. It's imperative that those teeth go in that slot. Replace with new liner. Confirm that the liner fits against the straight side liners that are running along the side of the cabinet. Tighten the liner bolts that hold the liner in place. Tighten the jam nut. This top cover. Reposition face plate as closely as possible. Base plate needs to be centered to the hole. I'm going to raise it approximately half the distance. Tighten my hold down bolts. Jam nuts are tight. And finally return feed spout to receive. Job complete.